New fun light transfer paper is easy to use, and I'm going to show you how. To start, preheat your press to 375 degrees or your iron to the cotton or linen setting. Choose your desired image and print your design to be transferred, remembering to mirror or flip your image before printing. Load your transfer sheets into the printer so the image is printed on the unlined, non-glossy side. Now that your design is printed, use a scissors to trim the image on the transfer sheet to remove any excess and unwanted area. I suggest rounding those sharp edges for better transfer performance and adhesion. Before transferring, you want to pre-iron your fabric to remove moisture and wrinkles. Now place the printed image face down on your garment. The red line side will be your ironing surface. Iron with steady and firm pressure. This will help to push the transfer layer deeper into the garment and will be better for wash durability. Glide the iron in a circular motion over the entire transfer for that suggested time duration, and be sure to cover the transfer completely. After ironing each section of the transfer, glide the iron once more over the transfer to heat evenly. Don't wait for it to cool. Best results occur when you peel immediately after ironing. Wait just 3 seconds and remove the backing paper from the transfer using a smooth, even motion. If any image lifting is observed while peeling, stop immediately and glide the iron back over the transfer to heat evenly while focusing on the areas where the image is lifting. And there you have it, your own customized new fun light transfer t-shirt.